Pinaka the best place. So this is it. Ito po ang first plate na kakainin ko. We had pinangat, bilis na maliliit, chicken adobo, pancit canton, beans, fried rice time, and we have soup, coffee, and water.